Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining. And I am on the Tesla Model 3 website, and I noticed that the Model 3 Standard Plus range, the 39,000, the 240 miles, has a very interesting lease price for $399. So, so what I did is I skipped all the options and I went straight to payments because I like to see what the true payment is. And if you go to estimate payments, you will see that the down payment is 4,500 and the due at signing is 5,594 for 10,000 miles lease for 36 months. But the 399 can be a little bit misleading because if you divide 5,594 by 36 months, you get $155 and change. And if you add to that the 399 that you will pay every month, so then the cost is truly 554. So the monthly payment is low, but the down payment is high. So if you add any option, here's the $6,000 autopilot, which I would assume most people will add. I'm going to leave the same color, the same thing. Then what you see is that the down payment is now 5,687, and if you divide that by 36, you'll get 157.9. So it's really almost 158 plus the 492 for the list. Now your payment is up to 649.9, 650. So as you see, when it says low mileage and low monthly payment, you have to look how much the down payment is, and that's for the 10,000. If you go to the 12,000, which is the most popular, you're going to add to get to 516, and then if you go to the 15,000 miles, you're going to go to 539. Okay, so I hope this was helpful for you, and before you do any list, always look at the due at signing. That's the most important number.